Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Bright Minds and e-learning platform, and today we are studying a new thing, Venation system from the Diversity in the Living World chapter. So during nature walk, have you ever collected leaves around you? And can you notice the variation in the shape or the structure of these leaves? So next time, if you have not done, next time when you go for a nature walk, let's collect all the leaves and see that what are the variations in shape and structure we see. So have you observed these type of veins or thin lines on the leaf? And what are these thin lines? These are called the veins of the leaf. The pattern of these veins on the leaf is called venation. So what is a venation? It is a pattern of these veins which is present on the leaf is called the venation. So what are the types of venation on the leaf? We had two types. One is reticulate, which we can see it's like a web or a network. And the second is the parallel venation, in which we see the veins that are running parallel from the stem up to the tip of the leaf. So this is a parallel venation. So this is one more pictorial representation of a reticulate and a parallel venation. In reticulate, we see that on both the sides of the main vein or the which is also called as the midrib, we can see on the both the sides, we can see a network of the veins or a web-like vein. So this is a reticulate venation. And on the other hand, the parallel venation, in this we can see that the veins are running parallel to each other from arising from the stem and going up to the tip of the leaf. This is one more pictorial representation to make a bit more clear about the parallel venation, in which the veins are running parallel to each other, and the reticulate we can see a net-like veins. It's a network of the veins or a web-like also you can say. So coming to the reticulate venation. So in reticulate venation, we see that there's a net-like pattern of the veins on both the sides of a thick middle vein. So thick middle vein is a midrib on both the sides of which we can see a network of the veins. So leaves of hibiscus, they exhibit the reticulate venation. Other than that, we have bean, leaf of bean and pear also. They are having the reticulate venation. And reticulate venation, one more we should know, it is also seen in the dicot leaf, detail about which we will study in the coming video. So in dicot leaf, we find mainly reticulate venation only. And in the monocot leaf, we find the parallel venation. So reticulate venation, I hope it is clear. In this we see around on both the sides of this thick middle vein or the midrib, we see the net-like pattern of the veins. Coming to the parallel venation, in some leaf we find that the veins, they run parallel to each other, and so these are called the parallel venation. So this is another parallel venation. So in this we can see like a banana leaf. We are seeing a banana leaf in which you can see the veins, they are running parallel to each other. They are not making any network sort of thing. And other examples other than banana, we can see also in a grass and also in bamboo leaf. So when you come to a grass or when you see a bamboo leaf, in this the same pattern of veins you can see in them also. On the other hand, in reticulate venation, we can find a network in the leaf veins. They form a network, so they are irregularly disturbed. They don't have a definite pattern, so they are not in a particular pattern. They are irregularly distributed. So we have done this, that in monocot leaf we find parallel venation and in dicot we find the reticulate venation. So you should be aware of the examples that in reticulate venation we find it in the leaves of hibiscus, bean and pear. On the other hand, parallel venation is seen in grass, wheat, maize or a banana leaf also. So now the question arises that can we group the plants according to their venation system? Let's explore. On a nature walk, let's see that how many leaves are having the reticulate pattern of veins and how many leaves you can collect with the parallel veins. So coming up in the next video, we will explore about the roots. In case of any query, you can write me in the comment section. Thank you.